Hi everyone, welcome to MjoCAD. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be making a main bearing, and I'm going to start it with a square that is measuring 120 by 120. Yeah, so there we are. Then I'm going to fillet this. Oh, 15 millimeters. I'm going to select another rectangle. Make it 90 by 90. This is the center diameter. Of the mounting holes of the bearing. So I'm going to make these holes 16 millimeters. Yes, having done that, I'm going to draw a circle. It is 90 millimeters in diameter. Then I extrude through 10 millimeters. Yeah, so having done this, next part is going to be going to convert that. Then I'm going to draw another circle. It is 65 in diameter. Like that. Then I'm going to extrude it through 15. To direction, then second direction up to the surface. Where that is the surface, I'll leave it in merge. Yeah, next step is going to be drawing another circle. Then one that is 45 in diameter. So I'm going to extrude this in the same manner. 15 going up, then the second direction want to be up to the surface. However, there is no merging these. Yeah, so there we are. When we reached this stage, the next step is going to be drawing this. Oh, sorry. I need to convert this circle. I'm going to offset it 2 millimeters. Like that. Then I'm going to come here and draw a line. And I'm going to offset this line 10 mm. And it's bidirectional. Then I'm going to convert this to one entity. Then I'll come and extend like that. So next thing is going to be about trimming that. Then it has to go away. Also like that. Go ahead and dimension this. So once I find that out, I'm going to use circular pattern, whereby I'll come and select this, that, to fall, and in that direction I'm going to come and extrude through 15 millimeters. Actually 1.5 not 15. Come up with that. Yeah, so my next step is going to be about filleting. What I need, so I'll come here, start filleting. That is too big, I'll use 2 mm. That, like that, like that. Then those also go as well. Yeah, so something like this. However, let me take off these last 2 points. I make them 1. Like that. Then I'm also going to fillet this. The independent, I'm going to make 0.5. Okay, I merged the two. So I capable of doing this at once, otherwise we'll be refusing. Yeah, so where we are, I think I'm almost done. So there we are, it's completed. And actually this last extrude won't merge this. Yes, it's not merged. However, these small guys merged, so I'll separate them, create something similar to that. Then the fillet, going to re-edit it. Same thing here. Yeah, so just repeat this so that we get something good and clearer. I want to merge those, then separate, and I'll repeat the fillet step. For those who had not gotten the concept, now you can get it. Yeah, so these are a bit independent because it's one by one, so I have to repeat the same. Like that. And I'll do the same for this. Finally will be this. Like that. Then these top ones are slightly big. Yeah, big fillets. Because make it 2 like before. So different lines, so I guess I'll go hard way like that. So it's pretty similar what we need, and basically save it, keep around for another set of item to do till we finish our series of the pellet making machine. Thank you so much.